I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I fall defeated to your eyes. The black boats, the battles be now. We race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. And I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I fall defeated to your eyes. Black boats, the battles me now. We race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. Waiting for the rose to color clearly. Wait to find black the bottle brown, the liquid's leaving mine, but it's alright. Now I feel so alive. Yeah, it's okay. Now I feel so afraid, but I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I fall defeated to your eyes. Black boats, the battles me now. When we race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while.
We sold our first boat at the beginning of 2016, but never really got over it. We found ourselves constantly shopping for the next adventure, even though that was probably the last thing we really needed. But here I am, in Antigua, doing the exact thing I shouldn't be, looking for another boat. The attraction of a good deal on a hurricane boat was too much to keep us away. Common sense should be telling me to go back home and let this feeling pass, and that would be the smart thing to do. But now it was time to figure out if we were really serious about this, and what we'd be up against. And no, there's not a lot more room than in Catchin, but there is a little bit more room. Oil looks good. That's a good time. Battery, steering prop looks awesome. Fucking engine looks awesome. This is the bad one. Shit.
Just over the dipstick. Fucker.
God, great access to all that shit. Oh, somebody stole their shit. At least the refrigerator's still here. That's funny. I wanted to know what was underneath here. Huh. Huh. I really had no idea what I was actually expecting. I didn't know how this 44 would compare to our first boat. But every cabin has its own head, each bigger than the ones on Catchin Rays. And the cabins themselves are bigger and have their own massive view of the ocean. The dinette and galley is twice the size as we're used to. The aft cockpit and helm are also improved. No more climbing over the seats to get to the stern. And now 2 people can navigate the boat from the captain's seat. And the electric winches that raise the main and lower the dinghy would make life so much easier. And the one thing that takes this boat to the next level is the covered forward cockpit. There's just nothing like it. But really, there is no comparison. While this boat is only 2 feet longer than Catchin Rays, it's actually twice the size. So after I got done looking at the boats, I came back to Texas and we waited on the auction company to call us. It was about 2 weeks after I looked at the boats, and they called me, told me what the highest bid was, and if I wanted to outbid them. And I said, yeah. So that went back and forth a few hours. And I think by the end of the first day, they had called me and told me the boat was mine. So the only thing that we're not sure of is, did we get a good deal? We don't know if we got a good deal. We think we did okay, but it all depends on how much it's going to cost to renovate the boat. But it still needs a mast, so we'll have to figure out when we want to tackle that at a later date. But in the meantime, it's trying to get all the systems working and see what I got. So stay tuned, and we'll keep filming stuff. Next time on Catchin Rays. The hard work begins, and so does the anxiety. We also try to figure out if anything even works. Thanks for watching.
What are we doing, Tammy?
Why are we filming?
We're watching an asshole drive.
That's so funny. Oh.
So what'd you do on vacation, Kevin? I manually bilged out a boat that I don't even own. Anybody want Catamaran?
Was that a good visual or what?
And as always, click like and subscribe. And it always...
Lay it down and smack 'em, yak 'em.
Now you done f***ed this up.